Amy is dress shopping with her mum. But who is the dress for? Welcome. Let's read, a dress for me. The special word in this story is the sight word, me. Me. Remember this word. Okay, let's read. I see a dress. Is it for me? I see a dress. Is it for me? The dress looks big for me. The dress looks big for me. Mum, is it for me? I say. Mum, is it for me? I say. No, it is for me. Mum says. No, it is for me, Mum says. The dress is not for me. The dress is not for me. Here is a dress for you, Mum says. Here is a dress for you, Mum says. The dress fits me. The dress fits me. Now it's your turn to read. I will turn the pages and be quiet. Look at the words and try to read. Give it a try. When you see the purple flower bounce, it's your turn to read. Good reading. Well done trying to read. Now, let's answer some questions from the story we read. Try reading the sentences to answer the questions. And remember, the sight word in green, me. Can you read this page? It says, the dress looks big for me. Can you also read this page? It says, the dress is not for me. Read. Why is Amy happy? It says, the dress fits me. Amy is happy she has a dress. Excellent. You've just earned a sticker. Remember the special sight word in this story, me. Okay, let's play some games and practice spotting the word me. First, can you find the word me? Which is the word me? Me. Again, find the word me. Here it is, me. Last one. What letter does the word me start with? Me. It's M. Me. Thanks for reading with me. You can read more sight word stories on our channel. Like and subscribe to practice more reading.